first time when I came over here to Ice1 Husqvarna factory racing team workshop in Lomel was really impressive. I didn't expect to see something so big and so clean. Like I told to my dad that you can eat from the floor here. You know, all the people they seemed happy and they seemed that they liked their job. So, you know, after the first time when I met them, I had the feeling that I want to come over here and race for this team. I decided already last year, in the end of the season, that after 2018, I would like to move to the MXGP class. For me, it's also nice to start that new chapter in MXGP class with a totally new team and new people around me, which they all seem motivated, and I think we can make a great results and reach the top together. For sure, because of my injury which I get in a crash in Turkey, my winter season, the preparation for next season will be a little bit different, and also the physical training, because now, you know, I cannot do cycling so much or running. I just can do the physiotherapies and just some easy exercises to get full flexion in my knee and full extension. Just some basic exercises which are not easy, which takes time, but it doesn't make your base physical condition so good. It will take some time, and you know, for sure, I think we're gonna work really hard on the physical condition to be physically very fit before we get first time on a bike. For me, the expectations for the first year in MXGP class are not too high at the moment. You know, I just want to move step by step. I really would like to move to the MXGP class that the people will see me racing, you know, that I'm not in the back of the pack, and I will make sure that end of the season we can battle for a top step of the podium. Antti is a really hard-working guy. You can call him 24 hours a day and he will pick up the phone, and he really loves what he's doing, and I think I can really trust on him, and I'm sure that he's gonna do his best to bring the team and his riders to the top level.